Good day everyone! Welcome to our performance task in UCSP. Today, we will discuss the definition, goals and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science.
Goal of anthropology. The goal of anthropology is to pursue a holistic understanding of what it means to be human by understanding the relationship between human biology, language, and culture.
Hello everyone, I am Archel Sophia Tapang and I am here to tell you what's the definition of anthropology. So what's exactly the definition of anthropology? Well, anthropology is the study of what makes us human. Holism is the wide method that anthropology uses to comprehend the myriad facets of human experience. They look to the past through archaeology to understand how and what mattered to various human groups 1,000 or 100 years ago. And now I am here again to tell you the two perspectives of anthropology. First is holism, the perspective on the human condition that assumes that mind, body, individual, society, and environment interpenetrates and even define one another. In anthropology, holism tries to integrate all human beings and their activities. Second is relativism, the idea that we should seek to understand another person's belief and behaviors from the perspective of their cultures rather than our own. And I think that's all.
The goals of sociology is to understand how membership in one social group affects individual behavior, and to understand how cultures and institutions interact in different societies.
This social science deals with humans and human interactions. It is a brand of sociology that deals with large-scale actions of humans and group mentality. It is a discipline that deals with several aspects such as the study of state and government. It deals with the nature and formation of the state and attempts to understand its forms and functions. It studies the tendencies and actions of people which cannot be easily quantified or examined. Political science is more focused than most social sciences. It sticks to the political arena and to the realm of politics, either dealing with situations with two competing sides or the lateral decisions that affect the group as a whole.
From a political science perspective, we examine people's tendencies and behaviors that cannot be easily verified or quantified. Political science focuses on the theory and practice of government and politics at the local, state, national, and international levels. We are dedicated to advancing our understanding of the institution, practices, and the relationship that make a civic life, and the research methods that foster citizenship.
The perspective of sociology involves seeing through the outside appearance of people's action and organizations by Berger 1963. The sociology also helps us understand ourselves better. The fundamental understanding of sociology is that social interaction within groups and membership in those groups have a profound impact on individual behavior. We are who we are and we behave the way we do because we are part of a specific society at a specific time and place. People sometimes take their social environment for granted and regard it as natural. But the sociological perspective enables us to recognize society as transient social product that was produced by humans and is subject to change as well. The goal of sociology. The goal of sociology is to understand how organizations function, how they are founded, how they interact with one another, how they degrade, and eventually how they vanish. Sociology is social science that investigates how people interact with one another and how societies develop and change through time. This is accomplished by looking at the dynamic of the various societal components, including institutions, communities, populations, and groups based on gender, race, or age, along with the societal disorder in the form of crime and revolution. Sociology also examines social rank or stratification, social movements, and social transformations.